The stem cell treatment, and that's what it is. It's a treatment, it's a therapy for multiple sclerosis, for a condition. It doesn't make it go away, which I wish it did. And it's not a cure, which I wish it was, but it isn't. Reality is that this is a treatment and this is a therapy that is very beneficial, and it helps different people to a different extent. It might be very dramatic for one person and more subtle for another. For me, it's been kind of subtle improvements, but they've been gradually, they've been growing, and they've been building on each other and increasing. So I'm very hopeful that I can continue down that path. So it's not a cure, but it's a treatment. If I could summarize it in one short phrase, I would say it's been positive, it's been beneficial, it's been helpful, and it's given me hope that I can continue to improve, and it's given me a reason for optimism, which I didn't have before treatments. I really didn't have before treatments. You know, you get to kind of a hopeless state, thinking, well, this, you know, there's nothing I can do to improve this. But you know, I felt that after stem cell treatment that there is, you know, there is hope that you can improve.